Welcome to our lesson on common terms of foods and drinks in Bangla. Whether you are at a restaurant, a cafe, or cooking at home, understanding these terms will help you express your preferences and make informed choices. Bhat means steamed rice. It's the staple food of Bangladesh and India. There are many ways this dish is cooked. We'll learn the variations of this dish in a separate lesson. Torkari means curry, a food, dish or sauce in Bangladeshi and Indian cuisine seasoned with a mixture of pungent spices. We'll learn more about different types of curry in a separate video. Paniyo means beverage, a drink such as water, juice or tea. Mosla means spice, an aromatic or pungent vegetable substance used to flavor food. For example, cloves, pepper, or cumin. We'll learn the vocabularies related to spices in another video. Foron means seasoning, salt, herbs, or spices added during preparing the food to enhance the flavor. Achar means pickle, different types of fruits preserved in vinegar, brine, mustard oil, or similar solutions. Mishtanno means dessert, a sweet dish served at the end of a meal. For example, cake, ice cream, laddu, curd, etc. Upokoron means ingredients, the items used to make a dish. For example, flour, sugar, eggs, etc. Remember, the word upokoron is not exclusive to food. It's a generalized word used to refer to items required to make literally anything. It could be making a chair, a shirt, or a smartphone. Talika means menu, a list of foods and drinks offered at a restaurant or cafe. Please note, Talika is the literal Bangla translation of the word menu. However, the word menu is commonly used in Bangla. Nasta means snack, a small food item typically consumed between meals. For example, noodles, rolls, fruits, etc. Patro means utensil, tools used for cooking or eating. For example, knife, fork, spoon, plate, etc. That concludes today's lesson on vocabulary related to foods and drinks. Whether you are ordering at a restaurant or cooking at home, understanding these terms will help you communicate effectively and make informed decisions about what you are eating. Now you are ready to explore the culinary world with confidence. Thanks for watching.